Got that 13-hour ride back to Jacksonville, man. Taking delivery right here at the Rare Breed Clubhouse, man, in Houston, man. It's a movie.
You found it, you go fly.
No, I'm about to load up right now.
Load up.
Oh, yeah. You know, I don't ride like y'all, man. That's why I couldn't be in Breed. They like, man, you got to ride for real. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We got our 2022 CVO Street Glide on the back of the trailer right now, and we are on our way to meet up with the winner, John, out of Jacksonville, Florida. Now, you know, I was promoting this bike as a bring it to your door special, but you know, John is from Rare Breed, man, so you know he had to come through with the oohs and ahs and ride that thing all the way back. You know, Rare Breed ain't playing, man. You know, if I would have brought it, it's cool, but you know, he a real rider, man. So John, we on the way with your new to you 2022 CVO Street Glide, man. I can't wait. I definitely appreciate each and every last one of you guys who tune in, man. If you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate that. We literally only about a few minutes away from Rare Breed Clubhouse, because this is going to be like our actual first Clubhouse drop off, man. So Rare Breed, we are actually going to Rare Breed Mother Chapter this week, but right now we're going to Rare Breed Houston, man. So I can't wait. We got Mama Sita back there ready to go up and drop this thing off with me, man. So we about to pull up and I'll catch y'all in a second. Alrighty, guys, we are pulling up. We are pulling up. Let's see what we got. They got them things on the things out there. They got them things on the things out there. Come on, man. Rare Breed Houston. It's a movie, dog. My guy. What's going down, man? How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah.
We out here, my boy came out here right now, so we out here finna show up and get him back on the road.
Getting back on the road, right?
Yeah, we out
man,
here, H-Town Breed, baby.
Yeah, tell him, yeah, H-Town Breed. Don't y'all got an event this week? On Thursday?
We got bike night tonight. Well,
Thursday night.
Bike night. So if you're in the city, pull up on us. You know, we're gonna be out here. Food truck will be out here. We're gonna be out here. Come inside.
It's about to be a movie, man. Let's check it out, man. Let's see what we got, man.
Breed colors and everything.
You feel me? He fit right in already, don't he? It's a movie, man. Y'all see where we at? Rare Breed Houston. It's a movie, man.
Going to Breed in there in the building.
Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Is this the guy himself? What's up, man? John, what's up with you, man? How you doing? What's up with you, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. My brother, what's up with you? How you doing? My bad.
Good, I'm good.
What's up with you, man?
What's good?
How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Nah, it's love, man. Yes, sir. We out here going up. Hey, man, so you ready to ride this thing all the way back or what, man?
You don't see no trailer.
He said you don't see no trailer. I got the oohs and the ahs, man.
That's it.
Hey, well, y'all see it here first, man. This is the winner of our 2022 CVO Street Glide, man. It's a movie, man. How you feeling right now, man?
Man, good, man. Finna jump out here and do what we do.
Get it going, right?
Pound this pavement.
Yeah. Hey, man, so I heard you got a couple bikes right now, man. So tell us what you got again.
CVO Road Glide.
What year? 2024. That's that burgundy joint, right?
Copperhead.
Okay, yeah, that thing nice.
And then that 2020 Road Glide Limited.
Okay, the one with the oohs and ahs. That's the one you told me you had
The eye.
Oh, okay. We can't say it just yet.
No, we don't talk about what's under the dress.
Oh my Lord. Hey man, so Kings of the South in Atlanta. I'm sure it's not here today, but the closest I'm gonna get to Jacksonville right now is gonna be in Atlanta. Is you coming to Atlanta or what, man?
Definitely.
Kings of the South weekend? Okay, so which bike I'm gonna see out there, man? That's my real question. What bike?
Which one you want?
Yeah, hey, you know you on my hit list right now, man.
Then you know which one I'm bringing.
Yeah, you on my hit list right now, man.
I'm bringing that.
Hey, man, so you got a bunch of patches on your jacket, bro. So tell us about these patches real quick, man. I don't want to hold you up too much, but they call him Top Flight, man, the one and only. Rare Breed, Jacksonville, Florida's in the house, man. It's a movie, all right. So tell us what's your favorite patch so far, because you got a lot of patches on here, man.
All of them.
All of them. What's your most memorable patch, rather? Because you can't just get these. You got to ride to get these, right?
You got to ride, you got to go visit, but my most memorable patch is in honor of my brother that lost his life doing what we love to do.
Okay.
Riding our bike. So this is my most honorable patch. Drop something.
Okay, well, shout out to him, man. It's a movie, man.
Yes, sir.
It's a movie. So tell them where we at one time, because, you know, we ain't in Jacksonville, man. They see we in the Breed house, you know, but you got to let them know, like, you feel me? What part of the country is we in, man?
We in Houston, Texas.
We in under these Houston skies, man.
Yeah, you can't come out here in no trailer.
Come on, man. You know what time it is.
Fly out here and ride bike.
Uh-huh. Hey, so what's Jacksonville looking like right now? Is it raining out there, man? What's the weather?
Raining back and forth.
He said, I really don't care what the weather is, man. I'm sliding whether you like it or not.
We ride it. It don't matter what the weather is for Breed.
It's good.
Yeah, eagle sliding all weather.
Hey, it's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I got the black and yellow squad up here, man. Rare Breed Motorcycle Club is in the house. If y'all ever in Houston, man, come check out the clubhouse. They're gonna get you right. They got an event on Thursday, bike night. Thursday, bike night. So y'all see, this is a cool map right here. So y'all see where all the rare breeds is located right here, man. Get a quick little zoom in. He's going all the way back from Houston to Jacksonville. It's about to be a movie, man. So y'all see what's going on. Rare breed, and then we heading all the way from Houston to the mother chapter. Hey, so on me, y'all not going to the mother chapter then? Y'all going when y'all heading out?
Yeah, some brothers already gone.
Oh, okay.
Already gone, you know. I just got in from work.
Okay.
So I'll probably head out later on this week.
Okay.
We're here supporting it, and we got the bike night Thursday.
Okay, so you might head out after Thursday then, huh? Yeah. Okay then. It's
Check
a
out
movie.
the little Texas plate sign right here.
Okay, y'all see where we at, man. The Lone Star State, man. The one and only, man. It's a movie, man. Rare breed. I like y'all graphics in here, man. They pretty dope. Come on, man. Houston representing.
Time, man. Come out here to breathe, man. We out here. We trying to every time we out here, man. You know?
Come on, man. Y'all come check GQ and the brothers out, man. They got it going on in here, man. He said, pick your poison, man. We got the fine girls. We got good drinks, man. We got good vibes.
The race. I'm gonna show you where the race is.
Oh yeah, man. Let's see it real quick, man. Let's see what we got. My guy getting ready. Ooh, Black Mama. Let me see real quick. Ooh, yeah, we got to see it in the sun. That thing hard. I ain't gonna lie.
That's the bike. That's what you get when you.
That's the one I'm gonna be looking for? Okay, good. We gonna check it out. We gonna see.
But it's racing.
He said this the races. This where it go down at?
We go down at the race. For the quarter mile.
Yeah.
This light post, maybe that tree, start down there.
He said, man, y'all come out here and y'all think y'all bike is fast, man. We got the block right out front.
Right out front.
Right out front. Take your pick, huh?
Right out front. Pick your forces, man.
It's all good.
There be people right here.
It's gonna be a whole show, man. We gonna get it going for you.
Hey, so shit, come out here.
Hey, yeah, we gonna see what's up, man.
That's it.
We gonna see what's up, man. Let's see real quick, man. Y'all know he got the 131 on the joint. So you see it in person, man. I know on camera it don't really look like on person, man. So how you feeling right now, man?
Man, I'm ecstatic, man. God is good.
All the time, and all the time God is good. Ain't that what they say in the church? And you see you got the 131 on there, the Big Daddy, you know. I know you got other stuff in the cup, maybe or maybe not, I don't know. But, you know, this is a cool little riding bike, you know?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
So I know you got road glides now, man. So how you feel about the Street Glide, man? You gonna change it up to the road glide eventually or what? Because you know that's what they typically do, man.
I wouldn't change it up.
No?
It's too nice to change up.
Hey, man, y'all hear you say, hey, man, it's too nice, man. Hey, so was it worth the entry or what? Because, you know, people like, all right, man, I don't know, you know. I don't know why you be wasting your money on that. You ain't never gonna win.
You know, it's one of them things that, you know, you speak it into existence. I sent you, if you go back and look at your thread, I said it's coming to Florida.
Right.
And it's coming to Florida.
And it's coming to Florida, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What they call it, the Sunshine State, right?
And it's Dorothy.
Come on, it's what?
It's Dorothy.
Dorothy?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, y'all see what's going on. He done already named the bike, man.
Dorothy.
This Dorothy right here, man. So we about to send Dorothy on her way. We about to get this thing unstrapped.
We
so
gotta follow the yellow brick road back home.
Gotta follow the yellow brick road. That's a good one right there, man. Y'all see what's going on. My guy out here taking delivery of the joint. We can unstrap this sucker and get it going, man. I ain't gonna hold you.
It is Dorothy, baby.
He said it's Dorothy. I like that one, man. So who is Dorothy, or is that the name you just came up with?
No, she clicked the heels and she coming home.
Hey, man, it's a movie.
Yeah, she clicked the heels and she coming home.
It's a movie, man. Let's see what we can get done real quick. How long is that ride? 13? Oh yeah, you about to get a good little ride in, man. You could I can get it, it's all good. Yeah, I'm heading out to LA later on tonight.
Oh yeah?
Heck yeah.
When you pounding, you go fly.
No, I'm about to load up right now.
We'll load up.
Oh yeah. You know, I don't ride like y'all, man. That's why I couldn't be in breed. They like, man, they like, man, you gotta ride for real. I'm like, man, let me just help with marketing.
He say load up.
Let me.
Hey man, hold on, ride like y'all.
Hey man, I'm like, bro, let me get it marketed or stuff, man. I can do the marketing, man, but I ain't about to be riding state to state in the wind with the rain. I'm cool.
I ain't even got no rain yet.
Oh, you thugging today for real?
Yeah. It just rained.
It just rained, huh? Well, you got a little music on here. You know, tune it out a little bit. You know, you used to CVO, so it ain't nothing for you. Come on. Let's go. There you go.
Hey,
appreciate it, man. Say what's up. Yeah, she chilling today, boy.
Get out here.
I swear.
All the fun.
But I take her in the garage, she ain't gonna say a word. Let's see. Go. Y'all see it here first, man. Y'all see it here first with the oohs and ahs. Like I say, I know you're gonna wanna do your own tricks to it, you know? You got plenty bikes, so you know how you want it to sound. But you know, I mean, it's a good start, man. You all right? Big CVO glide and all that. Big CVO, man. Y'all see it here first. It's a movie. Big 131 on him. Got that 13-hour ride back to Jacksonville, man. Taking delivery right here at the Rare Breed Clubhouse, man, in Houston, man. It's a movie. I got Mamacita over there. We about to get it going. He going the opposite way. He going to the East Coast. I'm going to the West Coast, man. Both end of the coasts, man, but I ain't gonna lie to you, it's a movie. It's definitely a movie. Yeah, man, go ahead and take it for a quick little spin or something, man.
You got it?
Yeah, you might as well get your Bluetooth, all that hooked up. Yes, sir. Yeah, I see what it is, man. That bike was meant for a breed, I ain't gonna lie. I know he ain't trying to race me mid-shifting like that. I know he ain't trying to race me mid-shifting like that, man. Golly. Well, y'all see it here first, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. Hold on, let me wipe off the camera a little bit. Man, my guy won our 2022 CVO Street Glide just for supporting your boy. He went to the website, everythingsregular.net, went and got an entry, went and got the course. He got both courses, and he won a CVO for pretty much 60 bucks, because I think that's what he spent, 60 bucks. Look, he slide. He slide. Oh, he better know that's a dead end down there. Yeah, we got good brakes on that thing, though. We good. A little ooh and ah effect, you know, never hurt nobody. Turn that traction control off, you might feel a little something. Yes, sir. We got a slight smile, you know. Just a little bit. Y'all see what's going on.
You can tell one thing. It's a Harley 131.
It's a Harley 131 for sure. You definitely gonna have to get it like tuned up, huh?
Yeah, this is a Harley 131.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him. I was like, me, I would've got an exhaust, a nice tune, real dyno tune, you know? But you know, it's a good start, right or not?
That's a great start.
Great start, man. Whole lot of potential. You already got a lot of the oohs and the ahs, but of course you want to make it your own, man. So just looking at it right now, what's your first upgrade you gonna do?
I already ordered a seat, Corbin seat.
Oh, you already got a Corbin seat for it?
On the way.
On the way, okay.
Got to change the pipe.
Corbin seat, exhaust.
Rims.
Wheels, what size wheels you going?
21 front.
21, okay, with the oohs and the ahs on it.
Yeah, 21 front.
I can dig it. Bars or what? Are you gonna leave the bars?
No, we got to breathe. It can't be that.
You gotta get some bars on there, man.
Yeah. But it's nice though. It's a good it ain't a road glide, but it's a nice bike.
Man, so my real question is, would you enter again, man? Was it worth the 60 bucks you spent? Cause you got it for 60 bucks right now, basically.
As soon as you post again, but see, I've been supporting since
right.
the last 5 years.
No, you have. So I definitely appreciate it, man.
I'm always gonna enter.
Yeah, no, it's all good, man.
Yeah, and you know, when you look again and say, Florida.
Yeah. Hey, man.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
Hey, man, well, y'all go like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all head on over to the website right now. Go get in for a chance to win. It's about to be a movie. My guy out here taking delivery, sliding all the way back to Jacksonville, right?
Yes, sir.
So, man, come on, man.
It's worth the course.
We got top flight in the building.
We do.
Come on.
It's worth the course, you know. You got some good information. When I got the email with the course, I said, man, it's, you know, you ended the raffle, but you got educated.
Right, yeah.
So it was a good thing.
We cutting out the middleman, man. Proud to pay campaign.
2 for 1.
Come on, man. You know what time it is, man. I definitely appreciate it, bro. It's
Man,
love.
we appreciate you.
Man, be
Definitely.
safe on that road, bro.
I'm going to stay in contact with you.
Yeah, for sure, man. Hey, Kings of the South, I'll be seeing you, but one thing I'm gonna tell you now, don't be trying to shift like that on that other bike because that's gonna be an easy win for me, dude.
Right. You absolutely
I told you on my hit list, so make sure you have your traction control off, all the buttons you need to press, make sure you got them right, because when I see you in Atlanta, I'm gonna be ready for you.
But can I tell you this right here?
Come on, tell me something, give me a little input or something, man.
I apologize in advance.
Yo, my Lord, see, hey, man.
that.
I like your style, man. It's all love, man. Hey, man, you be safe on that joint, though, man.
No doubt.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all make sure y'all catch Rare Breed in Jacksonville, Houston, LA, wherever there's a Rare Breed at, man. Y'all go pull up. It's a movie. I definitely appreciate each and every last one of y'all for tuning in, checking out your boy today. But we about to get on the road and head out to LA, man, the mother chapter of Rare Breed, man. So, you feel me? We in Houston right now, but let's take y'all to the mother chapter. It's about to be a movie. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Meanwhile, if you guys missed out on this giveaway or your name is not John and you didn't win, hey, man, head on over to the website right now, everythingsregular.net. We are giving away a brand new 2026 Street Glide Enthusiast edition, man. The one and only. You know, this bike is limited to 2,500 bikes in total, man. So it might even be a little bit more rare than the new CVOs that's out, man. So if you guys want something just for supporting your boy, man, you guys know we got our Copart course and our IAAI course. I know a lot of y'all got them, but a lot of y'all didn't. So if you got it before, man, go ahead and grab it again. Make sure you got it in the win. And if you haven't got it, man, make sure you head on over to the website right now, everythingsregular.net. Go get in for a chance to win. It's about to be a movie. Meanwhile, we are on our way to LA after we drop this off today. So see if I can get some upgraded parts on that new thing, man. We can't wait to check it out, get out there and check out the bike.